Alright, let's drink over the streets. Here it's a carambola tree. It's a fruit, very sweet and nice. Are you looking? And I was just listening Plastic Fake the Tree by Radiohead. So this is the meaning of metaphor, and we are just on some kind of Brazilian winter, I suppose. Look, it's like I really love the color of this season. The cold has color. Is this what we have to found in our lives? And the trees are very nice here. You just need to look with lovely eyes to find beauty on everything. There are beauty of every pace of this life. And now I'm going to be a volunteer dance on Feijoada event. Do you know what is Feijoada? Is this kind, I don't know to translate, but is the black beans over many pork meat. And I'm going there to see good friends. Is it needs Feijoada? The sky over again. They say it's come from slaves in Brazil, from Africa, but it's not so true. Someone said that is a myth. It's not true that the feijoada was created by slaves, but now it's not so cheap. It's not so apt to eat every day, so it's been good to go to work as a volunteer at needs event, and I will have something like Santa Ceia and it will be good. I really love this pass. Closer the house that God borrowed to us. It's a very gold place. These streets are very nice. I eventually do some videos here. It's very lovely to drink, just walk and drink. Because of this, there are the beat writers, the beatnik writers, because there are no just place to get a great trip as walk on the streets. I'm going now. I will back to listen Radiohead song, and I travel on the wings of Paulo, Apóstolo Paulo. And so let's go. Bye bye. Have a great Saturday. Mine are going to be blessed. in the wings of beloved God. Bye bye.